Good day, viewers. I'm Rex. I'm gonna teach you how to solve for the limits of infinity. So guys, remember, if x approaches into infinity, it is always equal to 0. So here guys, I have a sample problem wherein y is equal to 1 over x squared. I'll convert this into limit form. So here I have limit of 1 over x squared is equal to, well, where x approaches to a positive infinity. As I said earlier, if x approaches to an infinity, it is always equal to 0. So there we replace x with 0. And now, the problem... So there, we replace x with 0. And now, we have our answer here 0 because 1 over to 0 is always 0. So here, I have a sample problem where limit of 1 minus x8 over by 3 plus 4x, where x approaches to a positive infinity. So I'm gonna show you how to solve for this. So here, I brought down x from 8x, so we have 1 over x minus 8x over x. As you can see, x approaches to infinity, so we have this 0 already. While this we have to cancel there, x. Same goes for here, from below. We have x as the denominator. From here, like I did in the 8x over x, I'll cancel down the x. So here, we have, so there, 0 from here, from 1 over x, minus 8 from 8x over x. Then 0 from 3 over x and 4 from 4x over x. We can already solve this by negative 8 divided by 4, and here's our final answer, negative 2. So here's another sample problem that I will solve. So as you can see, we have a higher, x squared is higher than x, so like the procedure I did earlier, we'll use x squared this time instead of x. So there, I solved it for ya. So we got x squared from here as our denominator from 9x squared, which is x squared is higher than x in 4x. So we did that on all the given values. Now I'm gonna solve for this problem. So 9x squared over x squared, I'll cancel x squared and x squared, and we got 9 here. And as we all know, x approaches to infinity, it's equal to 0, so we have 4x over 0 here, so we have 0 here. Same goes for 3 over x squared, we have 3 over 0, that's 0 also. Now 3x squared over x squared, we'll cancel x squared, so we got 3. 3 over 0, that's just like earlier, and same here, so we got 9 over 3, so the answer is 3. It's the final answer. So this is my last example for you guys. I hope you learned from earlier. So I'm gonna solve this like what I did earlier. So there, you can see limit of 3x cubed minus 5x squared plus 7x plus 10 over 2x squared, cubed, minus 5x squared. So I'm gonna solve this like we did earlier. So there we got our denominator from the highest variable with the highest power. Okay, and now we're gonna solve this. So 3x cubed over x cubed, so we cancel this, we got 3 here. Then 5x squared over x3. So that's 5x squared over 0. We still got, so that's 3 minus. Then 7x over x cubed. So that's also 0. And so on. Now we got 2x cubed over x cubed. So we cancel this. We got 2 minus 5x squared. So 5x squared over x cubed, we got 0. So denominator is 0. X approaches to infinity, that's 0. You get that point. So here's our final answer. 3 over 2 from these guys. Well, that's all about I can teach you right now for limits of infinity. I hope you learned, and thank you for watching my video.